So I get asked a lot, why Gunner Kennel? I got a great idea of showing you why a Gunner Kennel is so much tougher than a normal kennel. Did a lot of traveling this past fall, over 40,000 miles in the air and on the road. Obviously having a couple dogs that I love, part of the family, keeping them safe along the journey is all part of it. I believe in Gunner Kennel, so I'm gonna take a Gunner Kennel and then a regular kennel, stand up, drop them off the top of the old truck over here. Hopefully the ARE topper will hold it, should be. And just show you the difference between a Gunner Kennel and a normal kennel. You can see for yourself why they're worth it if you have a dog you love. All right, so made it up on top of the truck here. Gonna test out the normal kennel and then the Gunner Kennel. Got the camera crew surrounded, ready to go. So we just threw off the first kennel. What's it look like down there? It doesn't look good. No, dog would not have liked that ride. That would not have gone good. Film this up here. All right, let's leave that one there while we throw this one off. How's that one look? Shelly, anything?
No cracks or scratches.
Nothing on the Gunner Kennel. Which one would the dog have been safer in? The normal one or the Gunner Kennel? Gunner Kennel. Ooh. Why do I use Gunner Kennel for my dogs? Because I love them. Thank you. Family bonding during quarantine.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.